Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be opening this Thomas and Friends wooden railway Flynn. As you can see, Flynn comes with an attached car. So let's look at Flynn's body first. As you can see, he has a happy face on the front. On the side, he has the Sodor Search and Rescue Center logo, 2 wheels on each side, and a movable ladder on top. Also a magnet on the back to attach to other cars. The car that Flynn comes with has 1 wheel on each side, has a picture of an axe on both sides, and a magnet on the front and back. Let's attach it back to Flynn. And now let's move Flynn to the tracks and see what he can do. So we'll just put him on here, and now we can watch him go. I think that's good, Flynn. Flynn, you were really fun to play with. And maybe next time, we'll get to use your adjustable ladder to save someone. I hope we can have this much fun with whoever we play with next. Thanks for watching. Now, you can watch another one of my Thomas and Friend videos, or one of my friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.